Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step solution of this math problem by using BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for or we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponent. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step, solve the inside brackets. BODMAS requires solving brackets term first. And now there is 10 multiplied by 4 is equals to 40. The second bracket says orders. First we solve order 64 is equals to 8 and then exponents 3 power square equals to 9. The second bracket addition, it gives you 8 plus 9 gives you 17. So now gives you 17 and now the current expression becomes 200 divided by 40 plus 17 multiplied by 2. Move to the next step, perform division. Division comes before multiplication and addition. Now first we divide the values. 200 divided by 40, it gives you 5 as a result. And now the current expression becomes 5 plus 17 multiplied by 2. Now the next step says perform multiplication. Multiplication which takes the priority over the addition, and 17 multiplied by 2 gives you 34 as a result. And now the new expression becomes 5 plus 34. Now finally perform addition. This is the final remaining operation. Add the numbers. 5 plus 34 gives you 39. This is the final result. So now according to this expression, by using the BODMAS sequence, the final simplified value of this expression is 39. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.